Hi guys, Nick here from Techniblogic.com, and today we are having the latest smartwatch from Ticwatch, which is Ticwatch 2. So this I have imported from China from gearbest.com for about $200, and I have not paid any kind of customs because I have imported using Indian Post, or we can say EMS. So it depends on you how you want to import it. So after opening up the box, first here we get the watch itself, which is covered with proper cushioning and all proper protection. After that we get a manual which is in English, which you can use for different purpose. After that we get a USB hub, or we can say the wireless charger, which we can connect using the micro USB cable. I will suggest you to use some kind of laptop, or I would say a quick charge 3.0 power bank from Xiaomi, because it can control the low end devices also. Because previously I was having a Xiaomi Amazfit watch and it was broken due to high power from adapter. So I will suggest you to use some kind of laptop. So after that, removing the lamination at the back side, we are getting heart rate sensor and nothing much. And the front we are getting the glass panel and the left side button, and at the right side we are getting a sliding panel, which is a touchscreen panel, which I'll show you in the video later on. Till then I'll just boot up the device, and while the device get booting up, let's talk about how you are going to connect this with using your smartphone. You just need to install an application named as Ticwatch Global in your Android or iOS smartphone, and after that just open up the Bluetooth and connect directly the phone with the smartwatch. No issues are going to be there, just plug and play kind of stuff is going to be there. So I just skip this part, and after that directly coming to the smartwatch. So as you can see, the device is set up. I have already installed a tampad on it. The tampad which I'm using as of now on the watch is from Amazfit, because it is already broken, so I was having some extra tempered glasses for that, which I've imported, so you can use it also. This is a little bit big, but hope I am able to use it, because it is going to protect my smartwatch from any breakage. So you can use a different notification panel. As you can see, we are having the airplane mode, the night mode, the notification mode. We can also see the battery mode over here. We just swiping the right side, we are getting the option brightness and different other stuff. The brightness is on 3 level as of now. We can go to setting, we can put it into a vibration mode, and we can also change the music if it is connected using your phone, or we can also put some of the music in our device itself, because it is already having some memory into it. We can also check the weather directly onto it. As of now we are in Chandni Chowk, and it is showing me the weather, which is 20 degrees Celsius, and we can use different watch faces. As you can see, I am having n numerous watch faces. You can install it according to your use, and you can also download different watch faces from the store, which you can use directly from your phone, or you can connect the Wi-Fi into the phone and download different watch faces. This is my one of the favorite one, which is the Mario one, but the thing is that I cannot change the time to 12-hour setting. It is only available on 24-hour setting. I don't know why. Instead, by going into the setting, I have changed to 12 hours, but don't know why this watch face is showing me 24 hours of setup. After that, this is the option for heart rate. We just need to put it live, and it is going to record the heart rate, which is very accurate. I have tested with different other watches also. There are different settings like fitness settings. We can use it to run on treadmill or live running, and different other fitness option over there. We are having dialer, we are having the calendar option. The battery life is also quite good. It is giving me battery life of more than 2 days, that too while continuous light onto my watch, which is quite good. Rest tracking mode is also pretty accurate. Today I have reached around 1.8 miles, which is around 4,727 steps, which is quite good for me in starting. Rest, there is nothing much which you need to explain over here. One best thing which I forgot to mention over here is that which is this touch panel. As you can see, I just swipe down and up, and it will swipe perfectly onto the watch, which is quite good. This is having some kind of sensor, which is a kind of USB of the device also, and I think in this pricing, this is going to be the best smartwatch available in the market. We can change the strap also. This is the rubber one, and you can install the leather one as well as the steel one, whichever you want to buy. You can buy it from local market. It is quite easy to buy. You can swipe it also. At the back side, this is the heart rate sensor, as well as the wireless sensor is supported to the back side. This is the heart rate sensor. As you can see, it is working pretty well, and it is accurate also. So as of now, that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this stuff, be sure to hit the like button and do comment and subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter, and do make sure to check out my other YouTube videos. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, see ya and keep rocking.